Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short, structures are not for everyone, but for income investors who love companies where the main objective is to pay dividends, they make sense. This is especially true as interest rates begin to fall for those high capital expenditure structures. And this is especially true for today's income pick, Arbor Realty Trust Inc. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol ABR. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, founded in 2003, Arbor Realty Trust Inc. has developed into a nationwide REIT that invests in multifamily, single-family rental portfolios, and commercial real estate assets. The upward trend in rent across the nation, Arbor Realty Trust is in a sweet spot, allowing its investors to become landlords and raking in the higher rental rates. Arbor Realty Trust stock has actually paid dividends in 13 straight years and raised dividends over 12 consecutive years. And investors currently get a juicy forward dividend yield of 12.9%. Since the 2020 health crisis, when Arbor Realty stock fell to $3.54 per share in March of that year. Shares have rallied an impressive 268%, at least that's at this recording. However, the past year has seen a negative return of 8.5%. Now, at this juncture, the ABR stock is sitting at around its 200-day moving average of $12.75 per share, and just below its 50-day moving average of $13.36 per share. Now, the stock could be on the verge of moving into a bullish golden cross formation should the 50-day moving average move above the 200-day moving average. This crossover suggests additional gains with Arbor Realty Trust stock.
How is this REIT performing financially?
Arbor Realty Trust grew its revenue to a record $721 million in 2023. The compound annual growth rate was a healthy 19.9% from 2019, when it reported revenue of $349.4 million, to 2023. Now, on the bottom line, Arbor Realty Trust has produced consistent profits. Earnings grew in 3 of the last 4 years, including a rebound in 2023 to $1.75 per share. Now, on an adjusted basis, Arbor Realty reported $2.25 per diluted share in 2023. Now, analysts estimate that this will fall to $1.73 per diluted share in 2024 and a further $1.68 per diluted share in 2025. Though there is a high estimate of $1.81 per diluted share in 2025. So there's that optimism to keep an eye out on. As far as the last 4 quarters go, Arbor Realty Trust beat the consensus earnings per share estimate in all 4 quarters. In the second quarter ended June 30th, the company reported 45 cents per diluted share, beating the consensus of 41 cents per diluted share.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could sign up for a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, Arbor has raised its annual dividend for the last 12 consecutive years.
Yeah, Arbor Realty Trust delivered positive free cash flow in 4 straight years, including a massive $1.1 billion in 2022. This was followed by a decline in 2023 to $236 million. Now, why the big decline? This was due to jump in stock buybacks, less new stock issued, and net debt reduction. All good things. Arbor Realty Trust stock currently has an annual dividend of $1.72 per share. Now that translates into a forward yield of 12.97%. This is above the 5-year average dividend yield of 10.42%. Given the profitability and free cash flow, I expect the dividend to be safe. Moreover, they could even raise it a bit. Again, Arbor has increased its dividend for 12 straight years. If it fails to raise it this year over 2023 level, its streak will drop back to 0. So chances are good management will want to increase its annual distribution for a 13th consecutive time in 2024.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Arbor Realty Trust Inc. continues to be a great REIT for both income and growth investors. It continues to report strong quarterly results and is home to a reliable ultra-high yield dividend. And we're not the only ones to notice. Arbor Realty Trust stock's institutional ownership is decent, with 410 institutions holding a 60% stake in the outstanding shares. There's one more thing we'd like to mention. There is a large short position on ABR stock of 68 million shares as of this recording. And this represents about 50% of the float. If Arbor Realty stock rallies, one would expect to see a short covering and support ABR stock. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.